Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 1.5 horsepower swimming pool pump. Alright, so today we received our pool pump. This has got a copper winding motor. It has an inner diameter of a 48.5 millimeter, which is 2 inches. The outer diameter is 54.5 millimeter, 2.1 inch. This is suitable for 1 to 1.5 PVC pipes. The max flow is 51 gallons per minute, and it has a convenient drain plug. I purchased this one because I do have an Intex pool, and I have an Intex pool system, but being that it is a bigger pool, I need a little bit more flow rate. So first off in the box you do get the instructions manual on how to set this up. So if you're like me and you have an Intex pool and you're tired of the Intex pool pump and sand filter, I do still have the sand filter that I'm using. But the great thing about this one here is it does come with adapters. So if you're using the Intex pool hoses, this adapters work with the current hoses. I'm going to show you how I connect those. So right here is the original plugs that go into your PVC pipes and stuff, but also in here they do have adapters that will work with your Intex hoses regardless if it's a 1.5 or it's a 1.2. so the adapter just goes in here like that. You would screw this into the pump itself, and then you would use some clamps and you would clamp them into the top portion and onto the front portion, so it'll go into your sand filter and from your pool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this together and I will come back so you can see that I connected the pump. It is connected to my Intex sand filter. This is a 16-inch sand filter. I'm using these standard Intex hoses, except for the one that goes into or out the pool into the pump. I'm going to replace that with the thicker one because this is a very high pressured pump, and you want the hoses to be a bit thicker, especially from the pump to the sand filter, because I try to use the thinner ones and it just blew it up. You can see the flow rate on this is excellent. I actually connected one of my pool vacuums, which is the Wanda the Whale. She did a perfect job. I love the fact that this pumps out 1.5 horsepower. It is super powerful. So if you're like me and you have an Intex pool and you want something that is super powerful to clean your pool, I would highly recommend checking out this pump. My pool is a 24 by 52 and it does an awesome job with cleaning it. You might want to use the same hoses that come with the Intex pools. The only thing is you will need some clamps to clamp it down like you can see right here, but I would definitely say this one is an awesome pump and I highly recommend it.